this film, it really gives so much importance to the people we love. And that doesn't necessarily mean kailangan bloodline kayo. Family could be anyone, and I do believe that each and every one of us here can relate to this film because it talks so much about love, and love is a universal topic that everyone can relate to. So, marami kayong mababaon dito. Ang dami talaga, ang dami yung emosyon na mararamdaman. Some of these emotions, mga hindi nyo pa nararanasan or nararamdaman before, but it really...
Bakit blooming ka ngayon, Belinda?
Grabe naman!
Parang may bisita ka sa kabila.
Going back. Going back, ayun nga, mapapahalaga natin yung mga taong mahal natin sa
Parang namumula ka bigla.
Uy, grabe ka! Grabe si Gigi.
Di ba nag-blush? Nag-blush ka, Belinda.
Sakto-sakto na naka-blush na si Bel.
Ano daw mababaon na ng aral dito? Ano mababaon na ng aral?
Maraming aral, you know, as she said, you know, it's a universal topic. Love is a universal topic. But what we can be proud about is the sense of family. Sense of family kasi makikita mo talaga dito how nag-arise yung conflict, how we were able to resolve that. As much as it's a sensitive topic, basta magdala na lang kayo. Meron ba kayong mga tissue?
Prepared sila. Each scene.
Kasi importante yan. I'm so scared to watch it because, you know, it hits close to home. Pero syempre, pelikula lang po ito. Pero masasabi namin talaga na marami kayong hindi lang kapupulot ng aral. Kumbaga, different emotions na mararamdaman all throughout the film. At pinaghandaan ng Star Cinema, they wrote the script for so long and they really prepared something so beautiful and sana po magustuhan po ninyo.
Thank you.
Exit na artista. Siya rin.
Kasama dito. To everyone, sa lahat ng loved ones namin, to our bosses, maraming salamat po for being here. We're so excited for this film. We just can't wait for you guys to see this. And I hope after this film, we just continue.
Nakakabili niya the cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy, showing on November 12 in over 450 cinemas nationwide. Ayan. Bumati lang po tayo. Of course. Yes. Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Si Carla at saka si Emilio Daes. Carla at saka si Emilio Daes.
Sumabay sa akin sa bus na to. Maraming salamat po at sana po panoorin niyo yung pelikula namin at sabihin na po sa kilala niyo ano yung pelikula. Maraming salamat.
Hello everyone! Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo dito. Invite ko na po kayo lahat manood bukas ng Meet, Greet, and Buy. Ayun po.
Maraming salamat of course for coming tonight. Sana po, let's spread the word at pagpilitin po natin ang pelikula Meet, Greet, and Buy. Subukan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Mga supabig! Alright!
Hello everyone, Carlos nga pala ito. Ako na gabi sa inyo lahat. Panoorin po ninyo ang Greet and Buy. Suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay ang pamilyang Pilipino. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
And thank you so much. Once again, the cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Pero bago sila mag-proceed sa cinema area, group photo muna, of course. Photo lang po tayo. Ayan. Yes, compress na lang po. Bibigyan po natin time, of course, sa mga visual photographer po natin. Ayan, Meet, Greet, and Buy tomorrow. Pwede na po tayo pumasok. Yes, again, sa lahat ng cast na po, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa cinema. And please, wag po natin i-block, of course, ang way po ng mga cast po natin.
Galing na nalaga mo. Galing mo. Galing mo.
Joshua! Emilio! Hi, Mary!